when you give up, your dreams and everything else are over. And the moment you think about giving up, think of the reason you held on so long. Hard work is worthless for those that don't believe in themselves. If you don't take risks, you can't create a future. When people are protecting something truly special to them, they truly can become as strong as as they can be. I'm not going to run away. I never go back on my word. That's my ninja way. Failing doesn't give you a reason to give up as long as you believe. A person grows up when they're able to overcome hardships. Loneliness is this world's worst kind of pain. While you're alive, you need a reason for your existence. Being unable to find one is the same as being dead. Sometimes you must hurt in order to know, fall in order to grow, lose in order to gain. Believe it. I'm not the person I was before. I'm not going to run away anymore. When you give up your dreams and everything else, they're gone. Power is not will. It is the ability to make things happen. I care more about others than I do myself, and I won't let anyone hurt them. If you don't like the hand that fate's dealt you, fight for a new one. A hero is not one who never falls, but one who gets up again and again, never losing sight of their dreams.